So today we'll be mining notai. So this is a new project on Twitter, which is now on Telegram bots. As you can see, this notai is actually built to control human thoughts in the AI verse, and then it's actually a super app built on Telegram with the power to turn the tide. This is just a gaming platform like Contra. All we have to do is follow what we are instructed to do in this project in order to mine our tokens. And then when you come to Google, you will see that Binance has also written an article on this particular airdrop, notai. It's actually a new project. As you can see, I only put in verified projects for us to mine on this affiliate airdrop platform. Do you understand? So that we don't end up doing scam projects that will end up wasting our time. I don't want us to mine projects that at the end of the day will not finally launch. That is why it's always good to do research, and that is why you are here on affiliate airdrop. The next thing we are going to do is to go to the Telegram bot. So we'll go to the Telegram bot and start this project. Of course, before you start this project, you'll be clicking on the link in the description of this video in order to get to this point. So I'll be showing you how to do that. So for you click on launch to launch the app. So the first thing you will do is to claim your tokens. If you are new, definitely you will have to play some games before claiming anything. What you'll be doing here is, first thing is, we have the friends. In case you want to invite friends, you can always come here to share or copy your link. You can copy your link here. Then this place is task. You can always come here to complete task. So these are the tasks of the day. They are always easy tasks. This one is daily bonus. I'm going to claim my daily bonus for today. All you have to do is to click and then you mark your register. So today I'm going to get my reward. So I click on get reward, and now I've gotten my reward for today. Do you understand? So you close it, you go to the next one, which is to connect your wallet. So when you click on it, it's saying link your cryptocurrency wallet, connect. I'll be clicking on connect, and I'll be connecting my Tonkeeper wallet. So everybody knows Tonkeeper. Download Tonkeeper from Play Store, and then all you have to do is just click on connect and you connect to your wallet. So I'll be clicking on connect. Now that I'm in Tonkeeper, putting my passcode, and then it says done. So the next thing, just click on Telegram here, and then I'll be rewarded because I'm now connected. So, and that's that. Next thing you do, you can refer friend, you can connect to Twitter. All these tasks are what you are supposed to do. All these simple, easy tasks are what you are supposed to do on your own. You can always connect to Twitter, just as I'm doing now. Simple tasks. Then you click on authorize, and I'll be claiming my token. Just complete all these tasks. Just complete all these tasks here. So you join Telegram chats. So just make sure you complete all these tasks you are seeing here. So I won't be able to do that now, so that the video won't be too long. Then I'll get my reward. So you can see how easy it is. Just complete all these tasks on your own. Here it says like new post on X. So you click on like. It will take us to the particular post it wants us to like. This is the new post. All I have to do is to come here and click on like, and then I go back, and then I go back to the app. So another thing you can do is to come to lab. So you can come to lab, then make sure you select warrior so that you'll be able to fight well. This particular warrior has enough strength. Then you come back home, and you start playing. How do you play? Just click here and start. The way you play your normal Contra, then it's going to load up. Okay, so the next thing you see is your mission, which says tap to leave the city. So you click on tap and then you start playing your game. Okay, so all you have to do is to move right or move left. Okay, and then you jump. When they are shooting, you just jump up, click up and shoot. Okay, so that is how to play Contra. That is one trick I used to use back then. Okay, years ago when I used to play Contra game on Sega. So this is how you play the game. Okay, so you will definitely meet the boss when you play very well. Just keep moving this way. You jump when you jump like that when they're about to shoot you. And I don't know what is happening to my mouse. I think my mouse is affecting my pad. Okay, so I'm just doing this for tutorial purpose so that you guys can understand how this machine works. Okay, keep moving until you get the base. I don't know if I'll be able to get there. Maybe my robot might be injured before then. I don't know. So let's just keep playing. So this is just all you have to do. Enjoy yourself and earn money for yourself while playing games, whether you're at work or at home or wherever you are. As long as you are less busy, you know, this is what you are meant to do as a side hustle to get some extra income for yourself, instead of just wasting your time doing other things that are not profitable on your phone. Okay, so I use it to accumulate more so that when it's listed on Binance, you'll be able to get a lot of dollars for yourself after converting your tokens to USDT. Alright, so when you are done, you'll be seeing your balance accumulated here when you finish playing. Okay, so your balance will be calculated for you. And so for you to start this project, all you have to do is, if you are in my group, all you have to do is to come to the WhatsApp group. Okay, and then you go to the pin posts, okay, and search for, just tap here until you see our groups, videos and social links. So when you click there, it's going to take you here where you see catalog of all our videos and the link to start any video project that you've watched. So all you have to do is just watch the video and then click on the link to start. Okay, so this is for notai. You click here, or you click on the video description of this video. Okay, so before you do that, you want to subscribe. You click on subscribe and then also click again in order to turn on the notification bell. Always click on all so that you'll be the one to get first hand information about the new videos I'll be rolling. Okay, so whenever I roll a new video, you'll be the first one to see it and partake in the new airdrop. Okay, and then after subscribing, you can like, share and comment. Okay, so for you to start, just click on more here in the description, and this is the description. Then you click on start to start this project. Okay, so that's just all you have to do, and then see you in the next one.